Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you another Ganzo knife that I would like to share with you. This is the Ganzo model G738.0R. Like you probably know, Ganzo is a well-established, value-oriented knife manufacturer. They've been on the market probably for at least 10 years, and I'm lucky that I can afford to share with you my passion, which are knives and gear and EDC stuff. And Ganzo is probably one of the best value ratio performance that you can get from a Chinese manufacturer. Yes, there are many companies. There are US companies and different from different countries. They are making knives in China, but Ganzo stands for themselves, of course. Lots of their products in their past were homages or borrowed some design influences from well-known knives. I will compare this one to one of such well-known knife, of course, and let's talk about this knife. So firstly, as you can see, the shape and the axis lock here, you will spot the similarities with, of course, Benchmade knives. This is a older design. So I would probably compare it more with a Benchmade Barrage, but also there are similarities with the Griptilian, but more with a large Barrage, which is a assisted automatic, if I'm not mistaken, from Benchmade. I had one maybe 5 or 6 years ago, so I'm not remembering it. I'm not 100% sure. So you can see this is a larger knife. Let's talk about the specification first. So we have a 21 centimeters overall length, or 8.3 inches. We have 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches handle length. The blade is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inch. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters, 0.12 inches. The blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch, and the handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. The weight of the knife comes at 132 grams or 4.6 ounces. Blade is made out of 440C. It features markings, which is the model number, steel, the new Ganzo Firebird logo, and the traditional Ganzo logo on the other side. Has a nice false edge on the top, really functional design. This is probably more a drop point, so for all your EDC tasks, comes really nice and handy. They are offered obviously in different color variants. So for this one I went with the orange one, because usually I buy green or black or carbon fiber. It comes not in carbon fiber, so I went for a nice international orange. Probably which will also come nice with the use or with the intention. So this should be a EDC outdoor oriented knife. You can go camping or hunting or fishing with it. It can be also as nice as food prep, of course, which prepare some wood and kindlings for your fire. It has the well-proven Benchmade axis lock. As far as I know, the lock's patent has expired, so now everybody can use this lock. It's free to use, but the credit should be going to Benchmade, of course. They have invented it. Centering is perfectly centered. This is a standoff, barrel-shaped standoff, or hourglass shape standoff construction. So, which is also a nice touch, because if you are outdoors, some dirt, gunk, anything could stuck in here, so you can just blow it out, or just use a napkin and go through it. So well done. If I'm not mistaken, the barrage is closed because it had the automatic spring assembly. So they made it a manual and improved. It has a nice polished pocket clip. Let's see the profile in the pocket. So this is how much it will peek out from your pocket. Nice to see that they also incorporated a lanyard hole, a large lanyard hole, so you can make it a little bit more safer. You put a nice large lanyard, and with a outdoor intent behind this knife, the International Orange is really functional, because if at some point you will drop it onto the dirt, onto the ground, then you will see it right away. Let's imagine you have a green or black handled knife, and it will drop, and you will have a hard time to find it. Also, which is good to see, you have both positions, so this is a truly ambidextrous knife, so lefties will rejoice that Ganzo has a knife for them, of course, which is always good to see. You have a nice functional jimping on the top here, a little bit milling for better traction on both sides of the G10, and this is a soft or the medium ply G10, so it would not damage your pants or anything. Okay. So milling is not present here, so they did not bother with milling out the pockets like they are using on the new models. They could shave a few grams, or if they would light up the scales, but it's okay. So let's see the size comparisons. So firstly, let's bring back a large Griptilian. So they're almost the same. It's a small grip. .710 from Benchmade. Kershaw Skyline. .940 from Benchmade. Bug Vantage Pro. the Spyderco Endura, and the Spyderco Delica. Okay. The price, you are looking at $17.95. You can probably get it a little bit cheaper if you shop around. These older Ganzo models are ballparking around $15. So like always, I suggesting go check out GearBest, Fastech, maybe also eBay. It depends on sometimes the bigger Chinese websites will have a nice flash sale and they sell it dirt cheap. So this was the Ganzo G738 in orange. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, please suggest unsubscribing. I try to publish at least 3 videos per week, usually knives, gear, some hobby, miniature paintings and related stuff. So I will be more than happy to have you as a subscriber. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.